Hey guys, so we are at the Pearson International Airport and we are on our way to Mexico. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is our first, family trip slash travel vlog. And we are going to Cancun, Mexico, and we are taking you along with us. What are you guys looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to go swimming and to try their fast food.
Your fast food?
I'm looking forward to the hotel so I can try out my dairy
Okay guys, so on our way to Cancun.
Bye.
Bye. So yeah, today is a very early day. We have to wake up like 2:30 to get the kids ready and get everything ready to get to the airport. So now we're just in the departure lounge waiting to board the flight to Cancun. So yep, we'll be in Cancun in like 4 hours. Yep, our first family vlog, and the kids are excited. So we'll see what we get into in Cancun. Yep. Mariah! Jaden!
Hi.
We are about to board the flight. I guess the good thing about early flight is that we'll get to arrive in Mexico very early, get to pick up the rental car, and we'll get to beat the peak hour traffic because driving in Mexico, I don't know about that.
Pay particular attention to the seatbelt signs. Remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the signs are on. And we do recommend you keep your seatbelt at least loosely fastened anytime that you are.
Are you guys excited to be in Mexico?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to the most, Jaden?
I'm looking forward to the tacos.
The tacos?
Yes, I'm looking forward to swimming and trying the McDonald's.
Swimming and trying McDonald's?
Yeah.
Okay, Mexico! Okay, so we arrived in Mexico, we did our checking out of the airport and all of that, and now we are picking up a rental car and yep, ready to enjoy Mexico. Hey guys, so we are in Mexico and we're having McDonald's.
Yay.
So are you excited to try McDonald's,
Yes.
Laura? You think it's going to taste like the Canadian McDonald's?
Maybe some of the stuff, like the fries.
Maybe the fries?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they use the same fries all over the world, so the fries will definitely taste the same.
Yeah.
I think the sauce in the burger is going to be very different. But we'll tell you about it. We're excited.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Gonna try the fries.
I wonder how they taste.
Huh?
I wonder how they taste.
I think they probably taste the same. You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, the same like the ones in Canada.
But the chicken nuggets might taste A little bit different.
Maybe. I think the sauce is going to taste different. All right, we will see. McDonald's was on the way to our hotel, so we decided to stop. You know, the kids very excited to stop. The first stop in Mexico to be McDonald's, and I must say, like it was really good. Like the building was very nice, was very clean. The service was excellent. This is actually the first McDonald's that we have ever gotten like table service. You get a number and they bring your food out to you. So yeah, Mexico McDonald's, so good. So far, so good. And yeah, the kids are excited, and it's a long day. We have been up since like 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, just grabbing a snack and before we head to the we're staying resident in by Marriott. And the cool thing about staying at the resident inn is that it comes with a full kitchen, utensils and everything. And because Jaden is very limited in what he can eat, we can't take any chance in a foreign country with him and his allergies. So it's good that I get to cook for him while we're on vacation. We are finally at the hotel. We just checked in. You know, it's a hot day so far in Cancun, Mexico. Yeah, I must say it's a beautiful city so far. It's my first time driving in a non-English speaking country, so so that's a bit interesting. Like trying to navigate the streets with signs in Spanish and trying to navigate the GPS, the Spanish GPS. But you know, we're having fun so far. You know, normally I like to do all inclusive, so this is a bit different. Not doing all inclusive, just doing something different so we can go around Cancun and document what Cancun is like. So it's a different things. It's new for me. It's new for us, and we'll take you along on the journey with us. So Cancun, here we are.
Welcome to our hotel room.
Welcome to Residence Inn by Marriott. Mariah and Jaden are going to give you an official hotel room tour.
Okay. So Jaden, why don't we start off at the kitchen? Okay. So as you can see, this is a pretty big kitchen for a hotel room. We have 2 yellow flat chairs on each side. Oh, 4. Yeah, 2 on each side. And we have, I'm pretty sure this is a washing machine, right? Yep, a washing machine. We have some cabinets under here. A lot of space to store oh, they even come with kitchen appliances like forks, spoons, knives, scissors. And I'm not sure if I'm correct, but I'm pretty sure this is a coffee machine. Of course, we need one for old Dad. And then we have the fridge, freezer, and just regular fridge. There's enough space in here to keep a lot of food. And then the freezer. Then we have those cabinets over there, and we have our microwave. It's actually pretty big. And then we have the stove. And the toaster. So, now we'll move along to the living room. Hello. So we have this desk and everything where the outlets are. We have a lamp, I think. So we have the chairs. We have this little, I don't know what they're called. I don't know what you call them, but they're little chairs. And then we have a table, an oval table. And we have a gray couch. And this one is my favorite chair. Because you can spin in it. And then you have a little coffee table. Yes. Now,
my favorite thing, the TV.
This is everyone's favorite. Whose favorite is it? This is mine, the TV. And this is where we see. It's actually a pretty big TV. We have some trash cans right there. We have the beds, of course, because there wouldn't be a hotel room without the beds. 2 beds. I call this bed. And we have your alarm, which is actually an outlets, and then the phone and a lamp. And of course we have trash can. So you have another outlet right there, and we have a coffee table. I'm pretty sure it's the same coffee table as the one that we saw in the living room. Welcome to the closet area. Don't show. This is the closet where we keep all the jackets, sweaters, and shoes. And we have hangers and we have a safe. Come on, Jada. Close me. And now we have this little area. I guess you could just like put, I don't know, you could put like clothes in here, pretty sure. That's what I would use it for. And we have the bathroom. This is a nice bathroom. You have all your stuff over here. And they come with like body lotion, Kleenex, towels. Not sure if that opens. Probably not. Come on in, come on in, come on in. So we have the door, a gray door. Come on in, Jaden. Coming. Oh. So of course we have the toilet, the towels, the garbage can, toilet paper, and then we have the shower. This is a nice shower actually. I really like it. This is where you're going to be seeing twerking Jaden. So we have this shower. I think you like people sit on this when they're like doing like a sauna. And yeah. Have another towel placement thing here. And of course we have our shampoo and conditioner. And that's for the bathroom. Oh, how could I forget the balcony? Whoa, this is a nice view. Come on. Come and see the stars. It's actually pretty hot in Mexico, because where we live in Canada, it's pretty cool. So we're not used to this heat. It's actually, I don't think I've ever been in a hotel with a balcony before. I think this is actually really nice. You have the chairs, coffee table, what you usually have in a balcony. And then we have all the palm trees look so nice. You could just sit down here in the morning and like just drink and sip of coffee or tea. Whatever you prefer. And yeah, I would just be here just watching the sunset. Yeah, and you can watch the sunset here, Louie, actually. Yep. Now coming back in, we have this velvet thingy that I did not know how to use. So, I'm pretty sure that's it for the hotel room. Thank you for coming. You may come. Have a nice day. Bye. Subscribe. And like and share.
Jaden.
Yeah.
You ready to work out?
Yeah.
We're gonna go work out at the gym. This is what the gym looks like. It's a very, very nice hotel. It has everything. It's like home away from home. We have a nice little kitchen. We have an indoor swimming pool. We have a gym. We have a laundry area. We have a restaurant for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Coffee 24/7. We have a little shop located in the hotel. So yeah, it's good. Now we are on top of the roof, and we have like a rooftop with 2 huge swimming pool overlooking Cancun. Man, this is beautiful. Beautiful.
See the light show over there.
Yeah, it's like the hotels. That's
Whoa.
Yeah. Look at this view. Wow. Beauty, 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 beauty.
There's an even better view.
Hey guys, so now I'm sitting on the balcony at the end of the night, overlooking, it's a nice view, seeing the stars, and just a beautiful scene. And it was a long day, long day traveling, renting a car, driving around for the first time in Mexico. Going to McDonald's. McDonald's was a good experience. It's the first McDonald's that we've ever been to where there's like table service. So we sat down and we got our food brought to us, and I must say it's a bit different. That's one thing I realized. Like everywhere you go in the world, like McDonald's seem to be different, and this one, I must say, like I had a Mac chicken, the chicken Mac sandwich, and it was way better than the one that you get in Canada, the one that we've had in the US. So I think the French fries in McDonald's, like, it's the one thing that they use the same fries worldwide, but I think like for the beef burger and the chicken for the chicken sandwich, like that they have some type of deal where they have to buy it from the country that they're in. They have to support local farm and stuff like that. So it makes sense why the chicken sandwich and the burgers would probably taste different everywhere in the world you go. So yeah, this Mac chicken sandwich you could taste a big difference, and it was good. So yeah, it's the end of the night. We're winding down. Like one thing I like about, this is my dream. When I thought of this, doing this with the kids, just to take them to different places, to try different food, and to expose them to different culture. So, just to see their face light up when, we travel to different places and stay in hotels in different places, and we see different culture, like it's priceless. As a dad, like to see your kids just light up when you're doing stuff like this. It is priceless. So yeah, the end of day one. Tomorrow we'll be on the road. As I said, this is a different type of trip for us. It's not like all inclusive where you stay in a resort. We're out and about, driving around, learning to drive around in Mexico, trying to go to the local malls to try the fast food, local food and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a new exciting journey for us, and yeah, we're taking you along with us. So thank you for your support, and feel free to comment in the comment section and tell us, have you ever been to Cancun before? What was your experience? Because so far, so good. So we'll catch you in another video. See you.